Hey everyone, now we are gonna unbox this parcel. So quickly let's start. Okay, let's start here. Okay, here we are inside. Okay, we have some stamps on the cover. Nothing more inside. So let's open this pouch. Okay, so let's open up this side. So let's open this. So that's all inside. Sorry. So that's all inside. Let's check what we have. The first coin we are looking at is a Austria silver coin. You can see clearly. 100 shilling coin. This is a silver coin. So let it be aside. And one more silver coin what we have here is, you can see, Edward 7th King and Emperor, half rupee 1910. So we have two silver coins, and others what we got are some normal copper nickel coins and something like that. So here we have two US coins, 5 cents, 1923, and another one we have here is 1903 of 1 cent. So we have two more that, and we have some uh, scarce variety coins, copper nickel coins. So let's check other coins. What we have here is, okay, and now we have another set of like 5 coin set, I think so. Somewhere the coin is, and these we have here is kind of keychain. Okay, you can see. So that's all what we have. We have two silver coins, half rupee of India and 100 shillings of Austria. So that's all for now in this video. Let's catch up in next video. Hit the like button.